What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Basically last video, I think I said I was gonna get my hatch all done up in the next video, but I've been having a lot of issues. Let me tell you some stories here. What's going on YouTube? Chris back here with another video. I told you last time that this next video was definitely gonna be about the hatch. It's about to be about the hatch all day. It's definitely about to be about the hatch, but figured out my issue. But let me tell you about that issue. All right, so I think I found my issue. I haven't put the hatch all back together yet, but current state. Let me turn the camera here. Current state. I took the throttle body off. I sent a few maps, like different data logs, to Derek at Innovative Motorworks. And basically he kept coming back and saying that my map sensor wasn't getting any signal. So basically I ordered, where's it at? Basically I ordered this off of eBay. This is this plugs into my K-series harness, and then this adapts to a B-series sensor. And reason why I'm running a B-series sensor is the Skunk 2 throttle that fits the Ultra runs a B-series map sensor. So I actually ordered because I ordered this from eBay. It was like, I think it's $13 or something like that. But yeah, I got a new one today. Let me find that new one here. Where did I put it at? Where did I put it at? Is it in here with that? No, it's actually in my pocket. So basically I decided not to cheap out, and this was like a $50 one. So I was like, all right, let me check the differences out here. So let me lay them next to each other. We're gonna make it look the exact same here for you. So all right, this is where I think my situation is. This is the eBay one. Basically you follow the, like, just the green wire here. Follow the green wire all the way up. That's all the way outside of the connector. And I'm pretty sure the green one was a ground the whole time. So I was checking that out. That's the first difference. So that's not even a difference actually. But green one over here is the exact same way. But then the next wire, it's, what color is that? Red? It's red in the middle, red in the middle. So this one is actually orange. It's rye wire. Rye wire is orange, but it's not going to the middle. So it's definitely, those two wires right here are swapped around on rye wire's harness. So the eBay one, before I even install it, I'm calling the eBay one was my issue this whole time. So let's install rye wire's harness and see if she starts, because I think that was my issue the whole time. But yeah, let's install this. All right, because I was honestly frustrated with this whole thing. I was about to give up. I took my throttle body off. I posted the throttle body for sale. I was about to give up here. So rye wire, I think you the fucking man, bro. So let me put this throttle body back on, get the TPS on there and everything. Let me put this all back on and see if that was our issue the whole time. Well, yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I got the throttle body all back on. Now we gotta, since I took everything apart, so I gotta calibrate the CPS. I'm not even gonna show you guys, like you guys seen that already. But let's see if this motherfucker starts. Now I'm excited, because I'm pretty sure that was my issue this whole time. I tried 4 different map sensors. This is my 4th one. It's brand new. So I talked a lot of shit, but I feel like this is the fix right here. All right, guys. So just did the minimum reading. It's 1.1 max. Floor it. It's at 97.7. So that works for me. We're gonna go over here, upload it. We're gonna send this to D-Rob, so record. Oh, motherfucker's dead. I gotta get my jump pack. Hold on, BRB. Alright guys, so I just got my jump pack on. It's all on. Yeah, it's all on. But let's see if she starts. We out. So I shut the laptop down because I know how long I was about to be in the house. So let me turn this laptop right back on real quick. But how's coronavirus treating all you guys? Let me know. I'm already back to work like nothing even happened. We in the state of Pennsylvania, we still all have to rock the mask, but I'm back to work. Like, we communicate with people all day, just we're rocking masks. But that's how we're living it in Pennsylvania. Let me know how you're doing wherever the hell you're watching my videos from. But yeah, let's get this laptop all loaded up, and then let's start her up. I'm pretty confident she's gonna start now. I think that was my issue the whole motherfucking time. Computer's connected. We're gonna record for my man D-Rob. Let's see if she starts. You know what? Battery is still dead. Hold up. I forgot what I always do this every time I use this jump pack. You gotta turn it on every time I do this. I always get the tease. Like, you gotta start it. Then hatches like you thought every single time. So this is it. I think she's gonna start, but I have no idea. Oh boy. Turn the lights on so you guys can see. Fuck yeah. She's idling. Oh, I messed up. I'm not recording for my man D-Rob. But it's on, it's idling. Since we got a few seconds, so we're gonna let that go. Check engine light instantly as soon as I touch the gas. But yeah, it runs. I'm about to shut this. I'm about to open the doors real quick because I'm about to die. You guys don't even know how happy I am right now that it starts. Like, I was about to just sell this. I was about to port it out because I was getting pissed off because this shit don't start. But I'm happy as shit that it starts, and like, it starts without issues now. So like, I could just start it up. Like, fucking perfect. So I took a data log already. I'm about to send that to D-Rob. Hopefully, I don't know if he wants an idle video. Like, I don't know. I'm not a tuner, so I'm about to send my data log of an idle video. I didn't take it around the block or nothing, but I'm about to send him a data log of the video, and see what happens. See if he wants to fucking adjust some fuels, whatever the hell he's got to do. I don't know, but yeah. Thanks for watching this. I guess it's gonna be a short video. I think we're gonna make this a short video. But yeah, the hatch starts. We fixed the problem. I'm excited now. Let's move forward to some more shit. And hopefully my next video, we getting dynoed by Derek. So stay tuned. I should have just paid $40 for the rye wire from the beginning. Like, I fucked up. But hopefully you guys learn. I learned my lesson. I'm definitely not doing that again. But it starts. let's send this data log over to D-Rob. Let's see how it goes.